there is another thing that we talk about when we talk about inverse functions, and that is the inverse also a function? So we're starting with a function for our original equation, and what we want to know is the inverse, when we take the inverse, is it also a function? And there's a very simple test to decide if it is or not. It's called the horizontal line test. And the horizontal line test says that the inverse of a function f is also a function itself if and only if. And then let me give you that conditional. It says that no horizontal line intersects the function or the graph more than once. So we'll say graph of f more than once. So if it passes the horizontal line test, that means that a horizontal line only crosses the function once. If it fails the horizontal line test, it crosses more than once. So if we take a look at this first one, it looks like a cubic function, and the red is our horizontal line. I'd like for you to go ahead and take your writing instrument for a second and take your pen or pencil and just pretend that that's your horizontal line and go up and down across this graph. How many times do you cross? Is there ever a place where it crosses more than once? And the answer should be no. So that means since it only crosses once, it has passed the horizontal line test, and the inverse is a function. If it does not pass the horizontal line test, as you can see here, we crossed twice, then the inverse is not a function. So now we're going to talk about inverses and finding those algebraically instead of by a graph or a set of tables.